Oh, there we go. Hey, YouTube, what's going on today? I hope you guys are having another good day, another good week. Today is Thursday. I'm coming at you guys with a new video today with some great news for the channel. A couple things. First things first, if you like this video, please do me that huge favor. Give me that thumbs up because I really appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? It helps the channel out so much. You guys tore up last video. We almost had 1,000 views within 24-hour period, which that never really happened before on the channel. I know it sounds like it's not a lot, but you know, it's the small things that matter. To me, I feel like to be able to say we hit 1,000 views in almost 24 hours, to me that's a personal goal, and I'm extremely grateful, and I'm happy for the channel, and none of it would have been possible if it was not for you guys, okay? So I want to take my hat off that I'm wearing right now, and I want to thank you guys for that, alright? Today's video, yes, just like the description says, I'm going to be talking about a couple things for the channel. First things first is going to be a giveaway. After that, I'm going to talk about some merch we got for the channel. It's going to be, if you guys, once again, if you're not following the Instagram, follow the Instagram, okay? Everything_Diesel. The link to the Instagram is always in every video below, down in the description box, okay? So make sure you're following the Instagram, because guess what? If you were, and you checked out my stories, you guys would have seen the sneak peek of the new stickers we have coming to the channel, okay? So yes, we have new stickers that will be coming to the channel. Now, here's the catch for it. It's not even a catch. Here's the thing about it. I'm limited supply on the stickers just because this is a test run, okay? This is the first time I'm ever going to sell something to you guys on the channel for the channel, okay? A lot of effort went out to my designer who made the logo for me and then the sticker. A lot of work went out to him. Shout out to him. I really appreciate it. So definitely, I think you guys are going to really like it. So if you want to see what it looks like, make sure you get on Instagram, check out my story. You'll see this new sticker. Comment, send me a message. Let me know what you think about it, okay? More details will be a release with the sticker. Once I get the stickers, actually, I should have them by end of this week, if not beginning of next week. And then also once I figure out like what website I'm going to sell them on and stuff, because I don't even have none of that figured out yet. But yes, please know you guys have been asking for it. I deliver. Stickers are coming to the channel real soon, okay? So second thing, giveaway, okay? So for the giveaway, we are going to be doing a giveaway on the channel. This is going to be the first official giveaway that I've ever done on this channel, so I'm pretty pumped about it, okay? Now, two things. One, I'm not going to tell you what the giveaway is because I don't want to kill it. I don't want people to be like, ah, or anything like that. I think you guys are going to really like it. And the best thing about this is, even if you don't have a diesel truck, you can use it. If you got a 1500, if you got a car, you can really, one sec. Alright, so like I was saying, yes, so for the giveaway, it's going to be a good product. Now, here are the official rules if you want to enter the contest, okay? It's a giveaway slash, I ain't even gonna call it a contest. It's just a giveaway. But you need to do these three things in order to be eligible to win the gift, okay? So, number one, you need to like this video. First of all, give it a thumbs up. Number two, comment down below saying what you think it's going to be, okay? Now, I'm not choosing whoever guesses it right. I'm not even going to tell you if you're right if you comment. But just comment on what you think is going to be, the giveaway is going to be. And then number three, subscribe to the channel, okay? That's it. 3 simple things and you are entered to win something, okay? All you got to do, once again, like the video, comment down below on what you think it is, and subscribe to the channel and you will be entered for it. I will go ahead and then I will do, I'll probably do either a video, like an official upload, or I will do a live video on YouTube for the live giveaway, okay? So make sure if you are entering to win something, make sure your contact information is good, okay? Because I'm probably going to try to reach out to you through email, I don't know, Instagram or something. So just make sure, you know, if you win something and I announce your name, make sure I have a way to be able to contact you. That way you actually get it. And I can send it out to you once, you know, yeah, that's it really, okay? So, that's what we got going on for the channel. I'm pretty excited because one, I've never sold anything on the channel, and two, I've never did a giveaway on the channel, okay? So I think it's going to be really good. As you can see right now, the weather outside, well, let me take you guys out here real quick. You might not be able to tell, but the weather is crazy right now, okay? For those of you curious on what it looks like when a storm's, or when a tropical storm possibly might come, it kind of looks like this, okay? The trees are blowing. We got some wind. It calmed down right now. It was blowing real hard like not even a couple minutes ago. I mean, you can see these trees over here. They're swaying and stuff. Look how tall. And these are tall trees. Those are probably like 100, close to 75 foot trees. So it's swaying. It looks crazy out here. Everything's all sideways. It rains, stops. It rains, it stops. This is what it looks like prior to like a storm about to hit, okay? So thought I'll show you guys that. Well, actually, since it stopped raining, I'll show you guys the Cummins because she's filthy right now. I need to wash her big time. I still haven't washed her since the road trip I took going to Florida. She is dirty, man. I mean, look at my rims. This is driving me crazy. And yeah, I still got the tow mirrors flipped up. I'm gonna be real with y'all, man. Driving with the tow mirrors up, I know a lot of people knock it because they say, you know, you get the extra 40 horsepower and all that fun stuff, but it actually makes it really, really easier to drive. Being able to look, being able to see, you know, when you're crossing lanes and stuff, it makes it a lot easier. So I kind of understand a little bit now why people ride with the mirrors up, even if they're not hauling. Maybe one day I'll put them back down when I feel like it, or when I get tired of looking at them sticking up, like, you know, like moose ears or something. But yeah, you know, so we got a lot of things going on in the channel, man. So make sure y'all are paying attention, make sure y'all are participating. I thank you guys so much. On another note, I did order something from Adams Polishes once again. No, I'm not sponsored by them. No, they don't send me free stuff. I wish they did. If somehow, some way, somebody affiliated with Adams Polishes watches my videos, I would love to be sponsored by you guys. So anyways, I'll show you what I got. So over here, I ordered, it's called the Adams Mystery Box. So pretty much you pay 50, they had a promo, you pay 50 bucks, you'll get, I think it's $80 worth of products, and it's random. You don't know what you're going to get and stuff like that. So I bought this about a week and a half ago. It came in yesterday. I got this polishing towel, which these are really nice. I actually have one right there. These are really nice when it comes to buffing off wax. These are just spray nozzles. I got a microfiber wash sponge. So apparently this is good for like washing like light dirt and stuff. And now in the box they sent me these are random. They sent me some glass cleaner. I bought this one, the tire and rubber cleaner. I bought this one. They sent me some more ceramic boost. I love this stuff right here on my rims. If you got matte rims, like either matte or satin rims like I do, and you want to give it a nice sheen, not shiny, but a nice sheen, this is it right here. And it makes it easier to wash because it you know, ceramic. They sent me some washing wax. That's gonna probably be good. Gave me some of that Eco all-purpose cleaner. And last but not least, and I can't wait to test this out, they sent some wheel cleaner. Apparently this stuff is like, I don't know, Jesus in a bottle. I'm just kidding. Nothing would be like that. But you get what I'm saying. They sent me that stuff. So it was really cool. I paid for that, 50 bucks. Took like a week to get here. So that's pretty cool. So like I was saying, what else we got going on? Oh, snap. So we were going to do the coolant today. But because of the weather, what's going on with this, you know, this is all from the hurricane and stuff coming. Apparently it's going to be longer. That was my neighbor. Apparently, you know, I don't want to do this in the weather. So we still got to do the coolant flush and get that out of the way. And man, there's something else I got to tell you. I just can't think of it. Goddamn. It was something I had to tell y'all, man. But I seriously blew a brain fart just now. That's really it, though. You guys are probably like, what the fuck? But yeah, so definitely, let me know what y'all think about this video. If y'all are excited about the giveaway, if y'all are excited about the stickers that are going to be released. Remember, make sure you are following the Instagram, everything_diesel, and that's my YouTube or my Instagram channel for the channel on YouTube. You'll be able to follow me there. I do put stuff up on there pretty often, especially on my stories. Spur of the moment stuff. You'll see, you know, pretty much. You can kind of get a little glimpse of my everyday life on what I'm doing and stuff. It's not like Snapchat or anything. Oh, that's what it was. All right, so question I want to ask you guys. Do you guys want a Snapchat for the channel? Okay, I'm thinking about making one purely for the channel, okay? And what that is, you know, pretty much you guys can snap me, send me snaps of your trucks, what you're doing in your truck. You can just send me a random snap if you drink some beer, some whiskey. I don't give a fuck. Just keep it PG. But yeah, so you can send me that stuff. If you guys would like me to make a Snapchat for the channel, drop it down in that comment below, and as like always, I will definitely make one. It'll be easy. It'll be the same name as the channel. And yeah, I think that'll be another good way to be able to keep in touch and stay connected with you guys, the fans, the viewers, and whatnot. I'm all about engagement. I'm all about keeping you guys entertained and just knowing, you know, your guys' stuff like that, okay? So that is going to do it for this video. That I knew I had something to mention, and that's what it was, okay? I'm so happy. Man, that's weird. But that's what I was going to mention, okay? So if you guys want all that stuff that I mentioned prior in this video, make sure you do what you got to do to get entered in the contest. Be on standby for the stickers. I will have more information. And once again, on the Instagram, it'll hit there first before here about details on sticker price, shipping and stuff. As of right now, I think I'm going to leave it to U.S. shipping, but I want to get it to where I can ship to my Canadians and if I got people in Mexico and stuff. I'm going to try to work something out. It might be just a little bit slower, trying to get that figured out and stuff, okay? So I definitely want to keep you guys, I want all you guys to be in it, you know. I don't want to just keep it to here only, you know, because I feel bad. I feel like I'm leaving you guys out and stuff like that. But then sure enough, after stickers is going to come t-shirts, and winter's coming, so hoodies. So we're going to take off. We're taking off on the channel. And just so you guys know, everything I make on stickers is going right back to more merchandise. So the money I get from stickers, so pretty much the way it worked is I fronted the money out of pocket first for the initial wave of stickers, okay? Once I make back what I put into it, that money is going to go towards the channel, okay? So meaning I'm going to be able to get more stickers on order, more merchandise. I'll be able to put more things onto the Cummins, and it's going to help the channel out tremendously, okay? So don't think that you buying this, I'm just, you know, pocketing money, making money and stuff. That's not what it is, man, at all, okay? So I just want you guys to feel comfortable. You know, I'm trying to be 100% honest. I'm trying to be open about it, everything. There's no shadiness behind it. You know, so I'm a strong believer in, you know, adults be able to, you know, I don't know how to say it, like engage and be able to handle business on a business level professionally, and, you know, expedite it in a timely manner. So it definitely. So I'm done yapping. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, for the giveaway, remember what is you need to do. I will put the steps down below in the description box. Okay, and then also make sure you're following the Instagram, and don't forget to comment about the Snapchat. Until next time, you guys have a good week. I'll see you next time. Be safe, God bless, and peace out.
Ryan Little.